Hello, welcome. Question number 24, 5, and 6 in this episode on stem and leaf plot, BECE 2022. Come along, let's provide answer to that. The stem and the leaf plot shows the weight in kilogram of cocoa bags which have been weighed in a week. So this is the stem, this is a leaf. I believe you know the concept. The stem tells us the tens digit, then the leaf give you the ones digit, right? So this is tens, 1. So 40, 45, 47, 49 in that order. So it has been arranged in increasing order. All right, so this means 94, 95. All right, so how many bags of cocoa were weighed in a week? That's the first question. How many bags were weighed? Don't forget the arrangement is, this is showing the ones digit of this. So these numbers are repeating. So we only need to count how many of these that we have. Because if I pick 0 and I'm picking 40, pick 5, 45, 47. So how many times do I have this 4 column or 40 columns? So I only count here and give the total as a number of bags. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 34, 35. So we can say that question 4, there are 35 bags. 35 bags that were weighed in that week. All right. What is the modal weight of bags of cocoa? Modal weight is what? The number that appear the most in the data. So in this case, if I look through which number here appears the most, I can see 8 2 times, 1 2 3 4 4 4. This 4 here shows 64 64 64 64. So that is a number that is repeating. So the modal weight for this is going to be, our modal weight will be 64. We have 64 kilogram. I think there's how many bags? So 35. But here we are dealing with the weight. So we have 34 kilogram. I'm sure you get the concept. The number that repeats the most here, the most occurring data, give us the modal. Then the median. The median, we know, is the middle data arranged in ascending order. And this has been already arranged in ascending order. Now, if we have an odd number as a total, it means we only need the number in the middle. So this is 35. So 17 plus 17 give us 34. So the middle one, meaning the 18th term. So I'll be counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The 18 is on this, which is the leaf of the stem 6. So we have the median weight is going to be 65 kg. 65 kg is going to be the median weight. If it were to be an even number, the two middle numbers we add divided by 2 will have given us the median. I'm sure the concept is clear. Beautiful. If you have any reservation, ask that in the comment section. Let's get interactive. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.